Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make festive chicken casserole with fresh guacamole. We finished our festive chicken casserole. Let's take a look. Wow, that looks delicious. Isn't that great? Nice and cheesy. And our fresh guacamole. Isn't that beautiful? Just made, the perfect time to eat it. And now we're going to plate this. I'm going to take a nice healthy portion of the chicken casserole. It has 3 layers of each set of sauce, chicken, cheese, and tortillas. There we go. And let's do another one. That looks great. And then let's put some fresh guacamole on there. Nice and bright green. Add a few pieces of fresh lime and some cilantro. I've really enjoyed making this dish, and I'll see you next time.